Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Jira story. It's important to understand that deleting a story in Jira is a permanent action, meaning there is no undo button or recycle bin. Before you begin, ensure you possess the necessary delete issues permission within your project. This permission is usually reserved for project or system administrators to prevent accidental data loss. To start, open your web browser and log into your Jira account. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the particular project where the story resides. You can find your story by browsing through the project's backlog, board, or by utilizing the search bar if you know its key or title. Make sure you have the correct story selected before proceeding. Once you have located the story, click on it to open its detailed view. Alternatively, in some list views, you can hover over the story to reveal an options menu. Look for the three dots icon, which signifies the Actions menu. Click this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Delete option to initiate the removal process. After selecting Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear, warning you that this action is irreversible. Read this message carefully. If you are absolutely certain, click the Delete button to permanently remove the story. Remember, this action cannot be undone. For better data integrity, consider changing the story's status to canceled or won't do instead of deleting it entirely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.